The security situation in Mandera is calm, is stable, and is peaceful. And members of the public are going about their business without fear. And we took the opportunity to visit one of the schools, and that is Border Point 1 Primary School. And I am impressed with the turn-up of the students in the school. The pupils are at 99% present, and learning is progressing well. We have been briefed by the head teacher, by the CDE, that this school has been running without any interruption at all. The security team in Mandera County, together with the regional security team, are very keen in ensuring that there is adequate security in Mandera County and other counties that are in this region.